How to find Hostinger VPS coupon code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Hostinger VPS coupon code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Hostinger is a reliable and affordable web hosting company that offers various hosting plans suitable for different customer needs and requirements. To save on Hostinger hosting services, customers can redeem promo codes, choose a premium or business plan, and check the sales section for live discounts. Also, with Hostinger coupon codes, you can save even more money on your web hosting purchase. So now, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for couponcode.com/store/Hostinger. Now, scroll through in the interface that you will be led to and search for the offer that suits your preference the best and tap on the Get Code button. I will tap on this particular option. You will then be shown with the code, so go ahead and copy the code and paste it further in Hostinger, and as you can see, I can save 77% on cloud startup hosting plan. So, this was about how you can find Hostinger VPS coupon code. If you found the tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment on our video if you have any queries. Do subscribe to our channel, Login Shines, for similar contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you on the next one.